Hello guys, and welcome to the first video in 2026. And this week is important because of the tariffs. On Saturday, Donald Trump again set tariffs on the table. New tariff threats by Trump increase policy uncertainty and trade war risk, undermining global growth expectation and disrupting capital flows, which often leads to higher volatility and pressure on the risk assets. And as you can see on the yesterday, we had seen a big down candle on the DXY chart because of the tariffs. On Friday, will Bank of Japan hint hiking rates? Their yields on 30 years bonds are at record highs. Bank of Japan Friday meetings crucial as any signal of policy normalization or concerns over yen weakness would trigger sharp moves on JPY crosses and spill over into global FX and risk markets. Traders are also careful because we are high on USD JPY. If Bank of Japan and MOF, if they decide to buy heavily JPY, we could see like this is intervention, and with intervention risk on assets typically go down and safe haven, especially yen, will go up a lot. And because of that is another weakness on dollar, and dollar could go down heavily in 2026. Metals are hitting all-time high after all-time high. Summary of the summary is that metals are rising when we have geopolitical uncertainty, and we have that right now. Wars between chairman of the Fed and Trump, we have that. Jerome Powell. Fed cut rates while inflation is still high, we have that. Investors are buying metals because they are protecting their capital against it's a hedge against the inflation. And summary of summary is gold and silver are still bullish. Trades. Let's start with the XY chart, and I will just analyze this chart and you can give your own opinions about other trades ideas. New tariff threats shock the market, and investors are moving from US and safe haven and buying euro, British pound, Swiss franc, and they are buying Swiss franc especially because of safe haven status, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and that stuff. But this is like this Sunday open, and on Saturday night Trump threats with new tariffs on EU because of the Greenland, and that had high impact, and because of that we saw like big down move on the XY. I'm looking for around 98.8 level, around here, to hit that level and continue go down. And this is like my, it's not like weekly but monthly target for the XY. This was a short video, but it was simple and like direct on what you should know. And thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.